water. Now we're gonna put our onion and our garlic. When the piece melt, you don't want it to splash. I will swim. Now let's let it boil. But as soon as it changes color, get it out of there. They're cooked. Let's get them out and let them cool down. Hey Nana, did you miss me? We're gonna chop out tomato in half. And then you see all of this stuff on the side. You wanna take this out. All of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. I'm ready. Let's chop out tomatoes. You're gonna squeeze it down and then you're gonna go. And then you're gonna get it, you're gonna flip it this way, and you're gonna go chop. Done. Now we have a big bowl and we're gonna put it inside. And boom. We're gonna peel it with our bella papas. So now we already peeled it. We're gonna peel it right there because we don't want this part on it. We're gonna cut it in half. And then you see this stuff in the middle, you wanna take that out. So now we're gonna chop it. So we're done. Now we're gonna pour it inside of the bowl. Aileen, I'm ready for you.
Yeah, what are you doing? Why do you have those goggles?
Well, I don't want this onion to make me cry. Done. Done. I'm gonna chop this cheese and I'm not gonna cry. So now we're gonna chop our cilantro, and our dad bought us parsley, not cilantro. Am I right? Done. So we're done. Namaste. Cut your limes in half. Boom. So I'm done. Now I'm gonna peel the shrimp. Bing, 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 bing. Yeah. Ready? Chop the shrimp. Thank you, thank you. So now we're gonna pour it in. Boom. Mince your garlic. Squeeze your lemon juice. Sprinkle your salt and pepper. Done. Put your tomato sauce. Ketchup. Boom. Yung clamato. Add more if you want it really juicy. Oopsie. Mix it. Look how delicious it looks. It's so delicious.